Alright, so right now, YouTube, what we're doing is recharging the system at night, which we don't recommend, but hey, we gotta do it. So right now, this is what you're gonna see. You hook it up to your low end, you got your car on to full blast, and you see how it's low, it needs to be in the green area. So we bought this from Walmart right here. All you have to do is get a reusable recharge hose one, a premium R134A for a 96 Integra. And then once you got that inside the car, what you do is put the system on full blast, AC, and then you should get everything turned on that way, and it should start recycling in the system when you do that. I got my buddy Richard helping me out since he does this type of stuff. I really don't mess with it, don't choose to mess with it, so he knows how to do all this type of stuff. So what we're about to do is recharge it. You're gonna see it in the works, right in the system, how it's gonna work. Now what you do, you shake it up, get the oils and all the stuff moving. Then you squirt it a little bit, flip it back upside down, it's blowing out the bottom. We're not professionals. Just want to state that. So all we're trying to do is, oh, that's why you got, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So you just gotta crank it down, make sure everything's tight, and then you tighten that up and just spray it. Give it a little hook up. There you go. Get a little hook up some more until it's in the green. And then you can reuse this actually and keep on trying it. So you see how the gauge is moving to where it needs to be. It's moving up little by little. I bet it's getting colder and colder inside. How's the pipe? Cold? How's it in green yet? Almost in the green. We're gonna get it midway in that green so we know we're good. It's good now?
Almost. That's how much I got. You gotta shake the can to see how much you got.
There you go. Like you said, you gotta shake the can a little bit, see what you got. We got a 16 ounce. And this is what you want to see. See how it's starting to come up little by little.
Feel the air, see how cold it is.
Alright, so now it is freaking cold up in here. It is ice cold, but that's real simple. It is. It's not hard to do. Easy to do, really. It takes like 10 minutes, especially if you don't got a leak. If you don't got a leak, which is good, get the stuff that has a leak. Also, just keep on checking your system and seeing, but it's in the green now and it's freezing cold, so it worked. Summer ain't gonna be as hot now.